So the first, when we create or when we configure the theme manager, we have to go to the path which is theme manager. Once we enter into theme manager, we will be having some options from SAP as well, which are standard option, standard from SAP. If we want to use the standard one from SAP, we can also make it duplicate and use. Once you scroll down and come, there is a one format from SAP Fiori with a morning horizon, a light in curve. So this one we can make it as a duplicate and we can try it out. If we don't want that same theme to be used, then we can also create a new theme as well by making it duplicate. So these are all people who have been practicing or those themes are there. Now if we want to create a new theme, just come here and make it a duplicate. Once you duplicate, you will be landed upon the page called edit theme. Here you will be editing the theme in whatever the color you required. So here you will be having a preview as well. Whatever the colors you are changing, everything will be reflecting here. Once you save in the end of the theme manager, you can try the page and you can look the how your theme is reflecting in a front end screen. So let's try now. This is a copy of the admin theme horizon. If you want, you can just write down any good name related to your project. SAP testing theme. Now you can give the description. SAP testing theme. And quick theme. So what exactly the quick theme? So now the color, whatever the color we are able to see in this color. So if we want any color to be edited here, then we can find out one color and that will be edited for entire background. Give me 1 minute. So quick thing is nothing but whatever the color we required, we just change the color of the background image. So once you click on, just drag this mouse over the color, whatever the color you required. And if you don't want this color, then you can select the colors from the palette, which is visible. Apart from these colors also, if we required any colors, then we can choose the color from here. So just drag and drop how much resolution and brightness you require. So in that way, you can see the color which will be reflecting on the dashboard thing. And once you select and just make it apply. Based on the color, it will generate one code. So this is not a color name, this is just a color code. So once you selected that, here the color has been reflected. Can you see? After that, accent color scheme based. So what exactly this one? So sometimes the client will be asking for the hover screens as well. Means apart from this color, we once we are rolling the mouse on the dashboard, they will be seeing another color as well. Thus that can be called it as a accent color theme. So for that one also just change, just scroll your mouse and whatever the color you require and select the color. Now use text shadow. So whether in the real time on the dashboard, whether you need any text shadows or container shadows or not. So if you require, you can just make it yes. And if you don't know, you don't require, just make it as a no. So after that, after the normal configuration, we will be moving to the real time configuration which can be called it as a fine tunes. So in the fine tune, we will be editing all the images of background, header background, logo, and plasmid colors. 1 second. So in the fine tune, we will be selecting background, header background, logo, plasmid, and landing page theme. So till this, we'll see what exactly the background. So background is this color only. Recently in the quick theme, we have just added the color and accent color. But when we comes to the background, we can select the texture, URL, upload an image or no image. So if you want to select the texture means like just a kind of a image background. So see here, these are the options we are available. Once you select, you can see the texture, whatever the background changes we are happening here. Metallic, diagonal stripe, or fabric dark. Based on your choice, you can select the background here. Apart from this one, you can also enter an URL. So one URL will be there. So whenever we are clicking on that URL, the images will be reflecting on the dashboard screen. After that, we have upload an image. Apart from these colors, we can also upload an image. For some client requirement, we will be uploading their company building photos or exact sceneries or any computer image based on the requirement. So in the practice session, just try giving any images and see how it is reflecting on the dashboard image. So after that, we can also mention that how many time that image has to repeat, whether it has to repeat number of times, x number of time, y number of times, and no repeat also we can select here. You can see here image display, repeat x time, repeat no, and y time. Repeat x means maximum time, repeat no, y means only one or two times, no repeat means it will not repeat any time. And position, when whatever the image you have uploaded, for that image what position, left, center, or right, and the image top, bottom, or center where you required. So not only the image, even the logo also you can upload and set the position. After that, lightning, whenever we are uploading any image, whether it should be fading from center or none, fading just a reflection of the image. So this is about the image when we are uploading the dashboard. I hope you are clear. Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now a header background. So now header here we cannot able to see the header. When we are working with the different modules, we can also see the header background as well as footer background. So only this part. So if you want any header image here, and then we can also select default color and default one which is from SAP solid color and upload an image. And if you want any background color also, you can just select on the palette whatever the options we are able to see and just make it selected. Width type, so full browser body width. So what exactly the browser body you require, whether it is full body or only normal one, plasmid width. Logo, so here we will be having the logo container. So if you want default logo from SuccessFactor, which is a default logo from SuccessFactor, you can use that, or else you can use your company logo. Logo background container. So this is a container. In this one, whether you need any color in that particular container or any image you will be using. So logo background container none, and background color. If you want any color, then you can also select the color here. Logo width. So automatically if the SAP should just save, or else if you have any specific width according to the client requirement, just select the width of the logo and upload. Now plasmid. So what exactly the plasmid? You can able to see this line which is differentiating dashboard and the module picker. In the real time, you can see here this one. So this the line differentiating between the module picker and the dashboard can be called it as a plasmid. So for that one, you need any color also. We can save it. Let's select the color. And link color. So what exactly the link color? Link is nothing but whenever we are creating any, when in a quick actions or a organizational update, we are updating the links into the URLs and all. So by default, the links will be in the green in color. So for that one, whether we are using any link or not, we can see that. We can save the color. Background of the plasmid. So the line you are able to see here, for this one also we can set the background. Background opacity, selected tab color, background type, whether it is dark, light, or dark or light. Border color, exactly the border, whichever the differentiating line will be there for that border color. Any specifications will be there from the client, then you will be setting. So in fact, this much is not that much important. Only you have to set here is which is the body color and a plasmid color, a module picker, logo, and the banner image. Apart from that, landing page theme. So what exactly landing page theme is? Once you enter user ID and password, right? So in that, whether you want the same theme to be used or any particular theme. So suppose this is a demo system. Here, so many themes are already created. People who are practicing, they will be creating. So in the real time also, you will be having 3-4 themes will be there. Whether you are using same theme, use this theme means whatever you are creating. And if you have any options also, you can use the other themes as well. Now module picker. So now in this one, whenever I'm scrolling the mouse, some dark blue color is reflecting. So is that any particular color we can use here? You can select. Now module picker is this color. Now let me select any color like this or white in color. And label text color. Here the text color is white in color. If you want any different color, then we can also select that. I will select label text color active. So whenever we are scrolling, active color, what exactly the active color is? Black in color. If we want any other color, we can select. Background color and hover is nothing but when we are scrolling the mouse, just the color which is popping and going, that is nothing but hover. If you want any color for the hover also, we can select. Now menu. So what exactly the menus? Not only in this particular module, in other different modules also, we will be having the menus. And wherever suppose let's take as a admin center only. In the admin center, there are tools will be there. So for that tools, we will be having any color. We can use any color, or also we can select from the menu. Now global navigation. What is global navigation? In while we are creating some cards, we will be giving URL links. So for that URL links, we will be using whether we can use the standard one or any other color or new colors will be added. Now portlet, what exactly the portlets? So this can be called it as a cards, and the portlets can be seen. This type of portlets can be seen on the employee profile. When we enter into the employee profile, we will be able to see the portlets. So for that portlet, any color, whatever the color required according to the configuration, we can select. So this one is just for a practice. When we are entering into the topic, we will be editing one by one, whatever the configuration we required. We can come back here, and as well as we can also change the settings. Now I'm just explaining you what are the features are available in the theme manager. Suppose in your mobiles, however, we will be selecting the colors, the theme, the wallpaper, the image of the text, and like a theme from exactly the phone, or we can download any specific theme from the app store. The same thing here as well. You can use the particular theme, you can edit, and you can change the color, whatever the color the client is required. After that home page, what exactly home page? This is the latest home page. You want the same home page of default banner, or else you will be any specific image you want to upload also, you can upload. So this is the banner image. If you want, we can also edit, and in other way also we can upload the banner image. For that banner image and all, what are the greeting text color? Greeting is here, welcome is there. So what color we required, we can change. Now quick action color. So now let me change this greeting to the red in color. And quick action background color. Here for the quick action, we are able to see different colors here. If you want any one particular color to be used for everyone, then we can select the color. Now custom card icon color. What is custom card? These are all cards here, whatever we will be creating. So for that card, any particular color we required, we can select. So card icon background, card icon color, card link color, card button color, card background color, whatever like according to the configuration and the client requirement we will be using. Now landing page tiles. What exactly the landing page tiles? Let me save this one and after that we'll come back and explain the further actions. Now come to last one, which is a theme sharing. So what exactly the theme sharing is? Here we will be having two options in the theme sharing. One second. Theme sharing means here we will be having, wait just a minute. Yeah. So here export theme and import theme. So what exactly the export theme? Here based on our selection from the above whatever we have selected, based on that all the codes will be generated here. Okay, and you have to just copy this code, Control C, select or select all, close, and import theme. So why we are doing this import theme is the theme whatever you have created, it has to be reflect for another consultants as well. So if you want to make it available for everyone, then you have to make it export and import, and after that finally you have to save the theme. Just save it and go back to the theme manager, home page, theme manager. So this is the theme what we have created. So until and unless you don't make it as a default, it will be not reflected on your home page, whatever the changes you have done. So just make it default. So whether you are making this for everyone or specific group also, we can select here. So as of now, it is for everyone and save it. So you are about to make the changes to a viewable theme. The updated theme will show your changes the next time user login. Are you sure you want to continue? So whenever we log out and log in, the changes whatever we have done in the theme, everything will be reflected on the page. Now just log out and come back again. Or else you can just refresh and see the theme. Okay, so can you see here the landing page we have selected red in color. Even you can also change this colors as well. Now it is white in color. We can make it as a black in color or any particular color. We can change the logo here as well. Login. Can you see the changes? This is not the right color, but I'm just showing you. Can you see the changes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in this way, in your so this is can be called as a hover. So whenever you're placing a mouse, the color changing. So in this way, we can create a different themes into the success factor. Now that is all about theme manager. Now how we can change this banner image and all. So for this one, we have to go to manage homepage. So here again, make a duplicate. Here we have general settings called banner image, quick actions and favorites. So banner image is this one and the quick actions are this one and homepage favorites are nothing but reminders and favorite. Let's configure the banner image. Banner image. If we want, we can also use the default banner image, which is from SAP. So this is the default one. Just save it and refresh. So this is the default one. Apart from this one, if you want any particular image, then just upload the banner image. When we are uploading the image should be 2 MB size and 16:9 ratio. Then only we can see this clarity, or else the image will be broken. Upload image. Now mobile. So we will be also having the mobile access as well. For mobile, if you want to use the same image, then we can use that one. If you want different image also, we can use. But when we are uploading for the mobile, the file size should be 2 MB and the aspect ratio should be 3:2. Save it. Now come back to the refresh the page and see it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. After that, quick actions. So what are quick actions? Again, go back to the manage homepage. So quick actions are nothing but just a button, like how we will be make it as a favorite button. Suppose you are working frequently on any organization chart or view timesheet or any employee profile, then we will be creating this quick action. So this how this can be configured. Let's see. So for that one, we have to go to quick actions. So if you want to configure quick actions, we have to follow 4 different steps to see how we can be configuring. Here, choose custom standard or custom quick action you want to show on the home page and the order you want them to appear in. You can create and enable up to 5 custom quick action. People can see up to 16 quick actions on the home page. In the total, top 14 will be enabled. In order to below, +2 standard quick actions for reminder and favorites. To change the order, you can drag and drop them with the help of use mouse or use action menu. So what exactly it is there are 16 quick action cards are available. So in that we can enable and see on that home page 14 quick actions we can see. In that 2 are standard one, which is reminders and favorites.